Hello children. So today we are going to learn slipping line. Okay, step by step we are going to learn. Ready children? Take out your pencil and a page, rough page. Okay children, we are going to make slipping line without using scale. Ready children? Yes. So hold your pencil lightly like this. Okay, पेंसिल को जोर से होल्ड मत करना, ठीक है चिल्ड्रन? Okay, good, very good, very good. So hold the pencil like this and use any paper. Use any paper, whatever paper you have. So we will make slipping line today. Ready? Okay. So Khyati, Mrinmoy, Christy, Devansi, Doreen, Jigdas, Drone, Aditi, ready? Yes. So let's start the class. So we will start the line from left hand side. Okay, this is our left hand side, and without using scale we are going to make the line. Okay, so like this, without using scale we are going to make the line. Okay, see, I have made two lines, then one more line we will draw here slowly like this. Okay, don't use scale. Okay children, ekdam slowly try to make the lines. Okay, this is our third number line, then again one more line we will draw here. Select this fourth, fifth, like this, slowly you will make the lines. Okay, see, without using scale and eraser you need to draw the lines. Okay, this is slipping line. Next class we will learn wave lines. Okay, so your homework is today slipping line. You need to draw 20 slipping line. Okay children, without using scale you need to make 20 slipping line, and next class you have to show me. Okay children? Okay, good, very good. So bye bye children. So practice yourself. Okay children, practice yourself and try to make the lines properly. Okay, so bye bye everyone.